Hey everybody, it's Neil, and you see I have my little microphone here, but sometimes I might want to take it somewhere and not look like I'm having just a regular little, if I'm interviewing somebody or something like that, want to look a little bit more professional. This is going to give me that ability to do. So let me get some of these pieces and parts out here, and we'll see what we can do here. So this is it here. So it's got the little square here. I can put stickers on it or like that to say, Neil's reviews and unboxings or whatever. It's got this little, I don't know what that piece is for on there. It's a little sticker. I don't know. Not sure if that goes there. Let me see where that's supposed to be. That was kind of weird. It was kind of stuck to it. But let's see. Okay, so but the way, I think it's going to go in the back here somehow. Because this is like magnetic, so I could just magnetize this. Oh, let me take this one off here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I can magnetize this onto it there. Is it? Oh, that's not even magnetic, or is it this? That's the magnet. Oh, that's the magnet right there. But whatever. Okay, so if I want to go here, I can put my little magnet. Oh, I can magnetize this onto the back of my microphone. So if I put this on the back, oh, that's already metal. Not sure exactly where that's going to go, but I can put this, I can clip it on like that. So that's what I'll do is I'll clip it on, have it that way. Not sure what all you use this metal piece for. I'm just going to put it back down there. Right now, okay. And then I put this on it. And now I'm a professional microphone guy. So this is what it's going to be like that. So that's what it's going to do. So then I can have a regular microphone. So when I'm holding it to people, they can talk and will be like this. And it'll look like a real microphone instead of just having to hold this little mini little piece right here. And say, hey, there's a, so cool. I know sometimes new interviews, the way it kind of goes, people like to hold these little ones, but not me. Okay, let's see what this little case here has in it. It has, oh, it's got more of those little pieces here and magnets. It's funny that it had one that was out. Maybe I got a used one that was already opened. But you get the idea. Pretty cool. And so that's kind of how it goes. And really nice. So now if I'm out there doing interviews or something, I can be with a microphone instead of just holding that. So it's good. Works out good when I'm doing interviews at like CES or something like that. So totally cool. Thumbs up.